Intro music fades. Anchor * good evening. Tonight, a significant diplomatic development out of Mexico, as President Claudia Sheinbaum has firmly rejected reports of a potential U.S. military plan targeting Latin American drug cartels on Mexican soil. This comes after the New York Times published a story alleging President Trump signed a secret directive authorizing military force abroad against these organizations. President Sheinbaum, speaking directly to the BBC, stated unequivocally that a U.S. invasion is absolutely ruled out. She emphasized that while cooperation between the two nations is crucial, military intervention in Mexico will not occur. The White House, in its response, did not confirm or deny the directive, but reiterated that protecting the homeland remains the president's top priority. Sources indicate the reported directive stems from an earlier executive order by President Trump designating 8 drug cartels as terrorist entities, 6 of which are based in Mexico. President Sheinbaum clarified that Mexico was informed of this designation, but was assured it would not involve the deployment of U.S. military personnel on their territory. She reiterated Mexico's consistent stance against any foreign military involvement, stating, "When it has been brought up, we have always said no." Earlier this year, she had expressed concerns that such designations should not be seen as an opportunity for the U.S. to violate Mexican sovereignty. U.S. Secretary of State Marco Rubio has commented that the terrorist designation aims to bolster U.S. efforts to combat cartels through intelligence and defense measures, advocating for their treatment as armed terrorist organizations rather than mere drug trafficking groups. The New York Times report suggests this directive provides a framework for potential direct military operations against cartels, both at sea and on foreign soil. Despite this report, recent months have seen increased collaboration between the U.S. and Mexico on border security, with both countries working to curb the flow of illicit drugs and migrants. U.S. Ambassador to Mexico, Ronald Johnson, recently praised the partnership, attributing a decrease in border crossings and fentanyl seizures to the leadership of both presidents, stating their collaboration has led to cartels facing financial difficulties, making both nations safer. We will continue to monitor this developing story. Outro music begins. If you like our content, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel News Today.